I've got so many things to do. I wish I could do several things at once. Well, you can. Ninh explains multitasking, how to multitask and double your productivity. There's never enough hours in the day to do everything, especially if you've got a family or you're in a job whereby you have to do several things at once. The human brain and body are wonderful machines, and they can do more than one thing at a time. You just got to know how. Many people try and fail at multitasking because they try and do everything at once, then fail miserably, then think, I can't do that. But men can't multitask. It's a skill only women have. If a guy like me can learn how to multitask, then you can too. So how do you multitask without having a sex change? Number 1, get a to-do list. Write it all out. Have a pad of paper next to you and write out everything that you need to do. Number 2, eliminate. Take off anything that doesn't require your immediate attention. If it's not life or death, if it doesn't matter if it's done or not at the time, get rid of it. Number 3, related tasks. Group similar tasks together so that it's easier to go from one task to another. For example, I don't want you to go out and milk a cow and then immediately go into writing a novel. Completely different. Just in case you're a farmyard writer. Number 4, prioritize. With these groups, what I want you to do is analyze which is the most important, which is worth your time, and then start on that group of tasks only. And only till you get those done, then move on to the next group. It's imperative that you use your time and attention wisely here because you've got a lot of things to do. Number 5, switch. Be comfortable going from one task to another. Finish one task or leave it half finished and then go to a different task knowing that you still got something else to do. Number 6, add. Invariably, you're gonna get bombarded with more tasks to do. Simply repeat the process, add it to the list, prioritize it, get rid of it if you have to, put it into groups and do that. Number 7, menial tasks. Group all of your menial and non-urgent tasks together. For example, nobody has to watch TV, but if you do have to watch TV, make sure that you're doing something else at the same time. For example, here's me watching the football whilst practicing my juggling. Here's me watching the football whilst ironing. Oh, Papa, you suck! And here's me watching the football whilst plucking hairs from my face. So if you remember the acronym Sam, okay, that's a terrible acronym, but you get the idea. If you follow those steps, multitasking becomes a lot easier. If you found this video at all helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Download my free ebook here from my website. Follow me on social media there. And on a closing note, guys, multitasking is a skill that anyone can learn. You just got to give it a little bit of practice. Any questions or comments? You know what to do. Boy, it's hot in here today. I've had to do about 3 takes of this video because it's that hot, I'm not getting my words out properly. On a serious note, guys, we've all heard about the terrible events that happened a couple of nights ago. And I have a message to you terrorists out there. Who the hell do you think you are, killing innocent people? Who the hell do you think you are, blowing up my former home? You don't scare us. We are the British people. We are the people of Manchester. Our football team last night showed what resilience we have. We are a city united. We stand together and we shall not be moved. And when we find you, and we will, we're going to come and get you for it.